Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the Show Markup drop-down button that appears within the Tracking button group on the Review tab in the ribbon to choose which markups and changes from which reviewers to show in a document. Clicking this button shows a drop-down menu of the various types of markups you can show or hide. In the uppermost section of the drop-down menu, you can click to check or uncheck to show or hide the markups listed except for balloons and specific people. A check mark next to the name of the markup means that type of markup appears in the document. If there is no check mark next to the name of the markup, then that type of markup is hidden in the document. Note that by default, all the items in this section should appear checked to show all possible types of markups. For balloons, hold your mouse pointer over this choice to see a side menu of options that let you select which types of markups should appear in balloons. The default choice is Show Only Comments and Formatting in Balloons. However, you could also choose to show all markups in balloons or in line as desired. You can hold your mouse pointer over the Specific People choice to see a side menu of options that let you select for which people to show markups. The default choice is all reviewers. However, you can select specific reviewers from this list to show only their markups in the document. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you can also check or uncheck the highlight updates and other author's commands to add those options to the markup display.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.